Well, it's the start of I think we're on day 7. And had another great day yesterday, got 70K in, 40 miles. But I've been nursing a blister while I've been out here. This is what it looks like. Check this out. So I'm sitting on the side of this trail, this railroad track that I was running on through the salt flat yesterday. And I've had to call the support team to bring in a more complete first aid kit than the one I have on me, which would be generally, very good enough. But you probably noticed too that I'm clean shaven today. And one of the great things about expeditions is anybody that does an expedition will tell you that they pack something in their bag to look forward to. And for me, I always said, when I'm through a week of this expedition, I want to be able to shave. And a razor doesn't weigh anything, so I can carry that. Woo!
Just water. It's going to be a little bit soon. I still can see some thunder.